Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to see your timeline history on Google Maps for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So that means of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And now let's go to the start it first. The things to do to match you want to be activate is about the location. The maps can be find you but your location. So if you turn on the location is, you cannot go to the maps application that you have been to install it before. Click on the maps here, and after that you can click the symbol or the photos in the upper of the right corner, and you want to go to your timeline here. Okay, this is your timeline for the today. I'm in my home, and how to see for the yesterday, I just click the today here and search about the date for the yesterday. Actually it has the 5th for March, and you can see that is my history of my timeline here. Okay, it's the same way if you want to see for the last month. For the last year, maybe I go to the 2021 for the Friday here, or the 20 January, and you can see this is my timeline of history for my maps. Okay, it's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to see your timeline history on Google Maps for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention, and bye.